Today's day of testing patience. What I fall seeing these candles, I am feeling bad. It is falling even more than what I expected. Hello traders, I was looking for an opportunity to take the trade. In this move, I am not in front of the system, so I was not able to execute the trade, and there is a pullback. If this high breaks, I'll take the trade and I'll exit with 100 points profit, 100 or 80 points profit, because Nifty moved almost to 250 points and there is a pullback. If this breaks, I'll take the trade, or if this low breaks like this, I'll take the short trade with the SL here or here. Let's see what is going to happen, and trend is going to continue. This should not break this low. If it's breaking this low, the trend is not going to continue. It may consolidate in this range for a long time, and after that it can give a breakout in a second half. That is fine, but it should not break this low. If this low is breaking, the trend is not going to continue further. Let's see what happens today. Nifty broke this side and it is going to close above this side. I'm planning to take the trade, and my initial SL will be here or here, but after this kind of move, I don't know what to expect from this trade. I'm thinking whether to take this trade or not, but as per the intraday trend and the retracement, this is a strong trend. That's why there is no big retracement. It already moved almost 300 points in intraday. Nifty moved 300 points. After this much move, I decided not to take the trade. If there is any pullback, I'll take the trade. Otherwise, I'm not going to take any trades for today. Even if it moves another 100-200 points in a straight line, I am not going to worry about it. I should have taken the trade if it consolidated a longer period of time within this range for a longer period of time and a breakout, and it is going to work out. But it consolidated for 30 minutes and it gave a breakout, and I'm not interested to take this trade. That's why I haven't taken. If it consolidated more till 12 or 12:30 or 1, and if there is any breakout, I am more willing to take the trade, but now I'm not interested. If there is any opportunity, I'll trade. Otherwise, no trade for me today. After breakout, and if there is any pullback and breaks this low, I'll take the short trade at this point as SL or this point as SL. Or if it consolidates 12 or 12:30 or 1 and breaks this high, I'll take the long position, but the market already moved 300 points. I'm not expecting any upside move. If it breaks this low, we can expect a 50 to 60% retracement of this range. And from that point, if it consolidates and breaks again, we can take the long entry. That is my plan. Let's see what happens. After making this low, it made a lower high. And if it breaks this low, this is a perfect position to sell. Or one more thing is also going to happen. It may consolidate in this range without breaking for the entire day. But I'm expecting it is going to break this low, and it is going to shift the trend once again, because it is what happening for the past few days. I was waiting for this price action. It made a low and consolidated and it broke out. It just made a low and it made a lower high. If it breaks this low, I'm going to take the short trade with this high as SL or this high as SL. I'm waiting for this low to break. Let's see whether it is going to break the low. After making this pattern, this low and making a lower high and breaking this low, I took the trade, and my SL is here. It can make another lower high like this, and it may break or it may fail and break this high, or it may just consolidate in this range. I'm expecting a retracement, but after my entry, there is a pullback. This is my entry candle and this is a pullback. It is consolidating at this range. There is a trend line and it may be a pull and flag pattern for another breakout. We don't know, but as per the pattern, I entered the trade. Let's see what is going to happen. After my entry, there is a pullback and it is trying to fall, and then there is a trend line also. If this trend line breaks, we can see further fall. Let's see how it goes. I'm waiting in this trade after this breakdown, but nothing is working out and it is just consolidating above this range. For any further down move, it should break this low. If it's going to consolidate in this range, or if it's going to break this high or this high, I'm going to exit the trade. But I'm seeing a consolidation. If this breaks, we can see fast and quick move of a minimum 100 points, and these levels are not valid anymore. All these levels, I think the move is starting. This trend line broken, and I want candle to close below this low. I want this swing to break. I'm expecting it can make easily 100 points. Let's see what is going to happen. Currently the position is in a small profit of 20 points. It is not falling in the way that I expected. If it's not going to fall and it is going to move higher, I'll exit around this point. This is my SL and I want this level to break. That this level is also a support. If these levels are broken, you can see quick fall. This level is broken, and next I'm watching at this level, and after that this level, it may touch around this point. This is around 0.5 to 0.6 percent of this trend, this low to this high, and if I calculate from this point to this point, it is somewhere here. Let's see what is going to happen. Anyway, there is only 1 hour left. I'm going to cut the trade anywhere between 3 p.m. to 3:15 p.m. if there is not much momentum. And today's patience trade, I waited in this trade for a long time, and for this trade opportunity also I waited, and in the trade also I waited a very long time. Let's see whether it is going to pay off for my patience or not. It is trading around this level, and my position is in around 50 points profit, 45 to 50 points profit, and there is no fast and quick momentum as per my expectation. Nifty is holding this level. Let's see what happens in another 20 minutes. If there is no momentum by 3:35 p.m. I am going to exit the position. If this time it is not going to break and sustain below this level, I am going to exit the position, and my sell will be here. If there is any quick reversal, I want the candle to close below this level, and I want fast and quick momentum in this trade. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see. I exited the position around the right time. If this low is not going to break, I expected a fast and quick up move to break this level or to hit the SL and close in this range, and that's what is happening. And I exited with a 50 points profit, which is not a big deal. It's a small profit. And let's check the orders. These are the orders. I entered around 12:45 and exited around 2:44. Okay, I was able to capture 50 points profit, which is not a big deal. And I was not right in my view. I was right in my entry point, but my view is not right. I expected a fast and quick fall. That didn't happen. It happens sometimes, and yesterday also I'm not right. I'm right in my entry, but after my entry I expected a bigger profit. That didn't happen. Yesterday also I had to give up a lot of profit back, and today I exited at the highest point of my M2M, and after this point it may fall or it may pull back. I have nothing to do. I'm not going to do anything. There is a fast and quick move after my exit, and it is falling as per my expectation. Okay, that's fine. And it fell 50 points from where I exited. That means 50 points more profit. That's fine. There is nothing to do for me, and the trade is done. Today is a day of testing patience on entry, on trade management, and even after exit, it is testing my patience. I hope you learned something new in this trading video about patience and trade management and entry and execution. What a fall after my exit. I'm seeing the fall like I expected. It reached till this level, and I exited around 7:30. It is trading around 610 and 600, which is a 130 points. I left because of 10 minutes. I lost all this profit. Okay, that's fine. I'm right with my view, but today market tested my patience, and it is falling non-stop like a waterfall. What to do? Nothing. Yesterday also I lost an opportunity, profitable opportunity, and today also it's part of the trading, and I should take the next trade tomorrow as usual without getting hurt and without doing any revenge trading. That's the important thing of the trading. This is the kind of fall I expected, and I still wanted to hold the trade till 3 p.m. and 3:15 because if it is not able to break this low, it may bounce back. For that reason I exited, but after testing my patience and after kicking me out of the trade, Nifty fell non-stop. I hope it is also happened to you. If it happens to you, post it in the comment section your experiences. This is the worst experience for me today, yesterday and today. Okay, that's not a problem. I still have the next day to trade, but I'm right with my view, but I was not in the position when my view happened. If this kind of things happens to you, let me know in the comment section. It is falling non-stop. Let's just see where I exited exactly at 244 and 732. Currently the future is trading around 570 on 60 points. I would be in a 40,000 profit on this position sizing. Okay, I can't do nothing. Let's just observe what is going to happen. For seeing these candles, I am feeling bad for exiting my position non-stop. It is falling even more than what I expected. Wow, no words. I don't have any words for this fall. Let's go to 1 minute and let's see. I exited around 244, and after next 1-2 minutes, this is happened. It touched this low point. I shorted it around 786, the highest point, and now it is trading around 550. Around this point, I shorted this point, and I was in the trade for all this sideways move. But when the trending move started, I was not in the trade. This is the kind of things market will do to you. When you are in the trade, it is not going to work. When you are out of the trade, it will work. If you are in a buy position, it will go in an opposite direction. That happens sometimes. Okay, it is bouncing from this low point. It seems I lost 200 points profit in 15 minutes. That's all for the today. I hope you learned something out of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.